Hello everyone, welcome to Oliveboard. So first tell me, am I audible to all of you? This is your mentor Mayank Dubey, and this is the special session where I'm going to discuss the top 50 quant questions for your upcoming IRDAI exam, right? For assistant manager, which is going to be conducted on 25th of June 2023, right? So you're not having much time. So for your better preparation, we are here with the top 50 quant questions. Okay, so just wait. So is this clear to you? Tell me fast, everything is clear? Okay, so quant section is a very important section section in phase 1 of IRDAI exam. There will be 40 questions of 40 marks. So let's discuss. Just wait, I'm going to share the questions now. We'll start with that, and if you are new to the channel, then do subscribe it and share with others also. So this section is especially for quantitative aptitude. Okay, so let's start with the first question. So in this paper, the weightage of approximation, right, there will be 40 questions. Okay, so out of these 40 questions, at least there will be what we can say 10. So at least 10 question of approximation simplification we can imagine, right? We can expect 5 to 10 question. Okay, then from what simplification section, I'm just going to tell you the important sections also. Now after this, there will be 5 questions of your number series, and 5 we can expect from the quadratic equation. Okay, so this will contain what, 15 to 20 number weightage. Then there will be at least 2 data interpretation questions. Each set will contain 5 question of DI. So almost 25 to 30 number will be from which section? So you will say these simplification, quadratic equation, number series, data interpretation. Then rest 10 to 15 question will be from arithmetic. Okay, so let's start with the first question. 20% of 184.69 multiply 32.02 equal to 37.34 by 5% of 5 by 2 multiply question mark. So what are they asking? What approximate value should come in place of question marks in the following equation? First, 20% of 184.69. Okay, so first of all, what is given? 184.6. Now you will say the calculation will become what, tougher, right? It is not that much easy. So approximate value, we can take what, approximate value of 184.69, which is 185. Now 20% of 185 is going to be what? 10%, 18.5, just double that. So that is going to be 37. Okay, multiply what, 32 is here, equal 37.34, which is approximately 37, by, means in division, there is what, 5% of 5 by 2, multiply what, multiply question mark. So 37 to 37 cancel. Now this 2 will go at upside. Okay, now 5% is here. Okay, you can say what, 5% is here. So 5% multiply 5, it will become what, 25%. And 25% in terms of fraction is what, 1 by 4. So 4 will come at upside. So 2 into 4, it will become 8. Now you have what, 8 multiply question mark equal to 32. So by 8 you can cancel 32, you will get 4 here. So it depends on what your calculation, your addition. You must have grip on what, verbal calculation, addition, subtraction, multiplication, square, cube, percentage calculation. That must be good. Then only you can score good in this section. Okay, easily, because this is the most easiest part of your paper. So B, option B is going to be the answer of first one. Now next, 24.66% of 155.97 minus 266.07 multiply 14 divide 146.92 multiply 21 divide 13.78 equal to question mark to the power 34. To the power 34 we need to calculate. So it is going to be a tougher one, right? First solve this one. That is not tough. They put the power like this or the values like this to making what to make you think about it, okay, whether it is very calculative or not. So 24.66 approximately 25%, because this is also based on what approximation of 155.97, which is 156. Now 25% means 1/4 of 156. So half of 156 is what? 78, and half of 78 is what? 39. Minus 266 point, okay, so 266.07 will be what? 266 multiply 14 divided by 146.92, which is approximate value when we will take 147. So it will be 147 here, okay, multiply 21 by 14 as you can see here, okay. So we can cancel the values accordingly, okay. By 14 you can cancel this, just wait, okay, yeah. So by 14 you can cancel this 266. How many times? 14 to 14 also it can be cancelled, okay. Wait, I'm just cancelling it here. 14 to 14 cancel, okay. By 21 this 147 cancelled. How many times? Very good, Varun, excellent work. What about others? Be active in the chat box, okay. So when we will cancel it by 21, how many times you can cancel? 7 times. How many times it is cancelled? 21 7s are 147. Now by 7 when you will cancel, 7 3s are you will say 21, then 5 will be there, 7 5 8s are 56, 38. So 39 minus 38 1. Option B is going to be the answer, okay. Very good, Varun. What about others? Now the next question is here. I am expecting the answers from you all. Be active and answer this one. You are having 30 seconds for this question, 30 seconds only. Just read and try to do it verbally. It's very easy. 39.99% of 25 plus 49.765% of 1 by 5 multiply 10 to the power 4 plus question mark equals to 0. So how many of you going to answer fast? Tell me the answer. Be quick. Anyone? Time is okay. Your time is over now. See how you have to do in the exam. 39.99% of 25. There are going to be 40 questions, as I said at the beginning, in your exam of 40 marks, okay. So very good, 1010. Excellent work, Varun. 40% of 25 means 1/4 of 2/5 of 25, okay, or we can say 10% of 25. 39.99 is what? Approximately 40%. Very good input, guy. Very good, Bhaswati. Very good, okay. This is the, okay, how many of you answered? Very good. 49.765 is approximately 50%. So 50% of 1 by 5. So by 5 you can cancel this 50, 10%. 10% of 10 to the power 4 means 10,000. So that is going to be 1,000. So this part is 1,000, right? Plus question mark is here. Now 39.40% of 25 is going to be 10. So 1,010 you can transfer there, question mark value, right? At what? Right side this 1,010. So it will become minus 1,010. Very good. Future 4G. Yeah. Okay, definitely we are going to conduct, okay. And for other subject also your special session has been planned, okay. Bhaswati, great. So do subscribe the channel for other updates. So answer is going to be option A. Hope so it is clear to all of you. Do like the session and share with others also. I need, right, the people who are preparing for IRDAI, seriously try, right, who wants to try seriously, who wants to be in exam seriously, because when you will answer you will come to know, okay, at what level you are and what you have to focus more. So that's why be active in the chat box. Okay, let's move on to the next. Now tell me the answer of this one. We are going to discuss topmost 50 questions, so you will have the idea at what level you have to prepare yourself. Okay. What about others? Tell me the answer now. 11. See, approximation based question 10.99 square means 11 square plus square root is square. Okay, square root question mark is square is there. So this is going to be what? Actually question mark. Okay. 10.92 means 11 square, which is 121, plus 13 square, which is 169. So see, 11 square here also 121. 121 to 121 cancel, only 169 is there. Option A is going to be the answer. How smartly you are attempting the question. See the approach, right? Your percentage calculation, as I said, your square, your cube must be good. You must have grip on it. Very good, Varun. What about others? Now let's move on to the next one. Question number 5. 0.000064 to the power 1 by 6 of 40 square. Divide 2 plus 25 square equal to question mark. This is the homework for you all. Take the screenshot. Okay, take the screenshot. I am expecting the answers. Okay, in the chat box. In the comment box after the session. Even whatever homework I will give you, you just have to give the answers of all just after the session. By tomorrow or by tonight, you just need to answer all the question which I will give you. Some of the question I am going to give you as the homework, right? If you are serious, then you have to attempt. I will definitely reply, okay, on your answers. So take the screenshot of this. Let's move on to the next. Now, what will come in place of question mark in the following question? So this is based on simplification now. See the difference between this question and the previous one. In previous one, what approximate value should come? Approximation they have mentioned. They're asking you to find out the approximate value. Here the thing is changed. Okay. What will come in place of question mark in the following question? Question number 6, 45% of 800 plus 60% of 1450 plus question mark of 6000 by 2. Okay. Sorry, equal to question. Okay, question mark mean missing term percentage. So of 6000 by 2. 6000 by 2 means 3000. Clear? Very good, Varun. Well tried. I'll definitely answer. Okay. You answered the previous one, I think. Okay, this one. 45% of 800. How you are going to calculate 800? See, can I write 50% minus 5%? So 50% of 800 is how much? 400. Minus 5%. Very good, Niranjan. Excellent work, Priya. Very good, very good. Excellent work. Absolutely correct. 400 minus 40, which is going to be 360. So this is 360 here. Now 60% of 145. So 10% is 145. Multiply 6. So 6 5s are 30, 0, 3 cancel, 3 will be carried. 6 4s are 24 plus 3, 7, 2 carry. Now 6 1s are 6 plus 2, 8. So 870. So 360 plus 870. 800 plus 300, 1100. 70 plus 60, 130. So 1230. Now 1230 is how much percent of 3000? 1230 upon 3000. Multiply 100. You can easily calculate now. 0 to 0 cancel. Here also you can cancel the 0. It will be cancelled 41 times. Very good. Good work. Great job. Option A is the absolutely correct answer. Varun answered. What about Bhaswati? What is your answer? Now let's move on to the next one. Now 22.3 multiply 20 plus 30.7 multiply 20 equal to 1326 minus question mark. This is going to be the free, what I can say, the most easiest part, free marks. But how much time you are giving, everyone can solve. But how much time you are spending on these questions, that does matter. If you want to score good marks, then you have to be what? Very quick in solving. So tell me the answer fast. Anyone who got the answer of this one? Very good. Future 4G 146. Okay, what about others? See, 22.3 multiply 20 you can do in two forms. Either you can multiply these two and add, or you can take 20 common, then add 22.3 plus 30.7, which will be 53. Okay, so 53 multiplied 20, so 530 10 times, just double that, so 1060 equal to 1326 minus question mark. So how much you are going to get in then? Tell me the answer now. Very good. Baswati also got 146. And Niranjan Priya also says 146. Is this going to be your answer? Final? So, 223, 446. I am just checking once again. 614. So it is going to be 1060, yes. And 1326 minus 1326 minus 1060 will get you how much? Tell me. What is going to be answer in this case then? 166 or 146? Tell me. 166 or 146? Now tell me, everyone. Varun, Baswati, Niranjan, input guy, actual input guy, future 4G. Tell me now, what is going to be your answer then? $266. Sorry, it is going to be, yeah, 266 or 146. Yes, 266 or 146. Tell me. I just put 166 by default. Yes, 266 is going to be the correct answer, which is not in the option. Actually, it must be 246. But wrongly, I have put 166 here. Okay, not an issue. Let's move on to the next one now. Tell me 20% of 200 plus 48 multiply 16 divided by 3 plus 10 cube plus 10 cube equal to 1080 plus question mark cube. Now tell me the value of this one. Be fast. I'm checking your answers. How many of you will get 10 out of 10? Just count your correct answers also. And at the end, I will ask how much you scored. Tell me the answer. Niranjan, Bhaswati, Varun. See what is given now. Time is over. 20% of 200. So 10% is 20. So 20% of 200 is going to be 40 plus. 48 multiply 16. Divide 3. So by 3, 48 will be cancelled 16 times. Very good, Baswati. Excellent work, Sahil. Very good, but excellent, Varun. Everyone. Great. Very quick. Good job. Now 16. Okay. Yeah. So 16 into 16, 256. It is going to be. Now 256 plus 10 cube, which is 1000. So 1000 plus 256, 1256 plus 40, 1296. 1296 minus 1080 equal to question mark cube. So when you will take the difference here, 1200 minus 1000, so it will be 296 minus 80, 16, 216. So 216 is the cube of 6, so 6 cube. You can say, okay, what will be your answer? Option B. Very good. Excellent job. Now, this one is the easiest one. Tell me the answer now. Which will come in place of this? 16.66% of 33.33% of 567 by 1.5. Tell me the answer of this one now. Fast. Quick. Be quick. I'm just awaiting for your answers. Okay. So this was just a 15-second question hardly. 16.66% is 1 by 6. 33.33% is 1 by 3. Multiply 567 by 5. Okay, so by 3 when you will cancel it, it will be cancelled how many times? 3 18s are 54, then 189, then by 6 5s are 30. So 1.5, sorry. So 6 multiply 1.5 is 9. So 189 by 9. 9 2s are 18. 9 1s are 21. So Bhaswati, okay, Varun, great job. Sahil, Shubham also joined us. Varun, okay, Varun, two Varuns are here. One Shrivastava and another one Varun. Okay, Priya also answered 21. Excellent job, great. Now this one, who will answer this? What will come in the place of question mark in the given expression? Question marks 332 multiply 603 divide 67 multiply 83 plus 18% of 35 multiply 70. Tell me the answer. Quick. Tell me the answer. Anyone who can give the answer of this one? It seems difficult one, but it is not actually what is given. 332 multiply 603 by 67 multiply 83 plus 18% of 35 multiply 70. So see, by 67 603 9 times cancel. 84s are 320, 3 4s are 12, 332 will be cancelled 4 times by here. So 9 into 4. What I mean to say is your calculation need to be good here. 9 4s are 36 plus 18% of 35 multiply 70. So either you can calculate 18% of 70 then multiply 35. You can do anything. But here you can go with 35. I must suggest you. 35. 10% of 35 is going to be 3.5 plus 8% of 35 is going to be 2.8. How? See, 10% is 3.5, so 1% is going to be 0.35. So 8% I can calculate by what? 0.35 multiply 8 also you can do, or 10% minus 2%. 2% is going to be 0.7, so 3.5 minus 0.7, so 2.8. So actually 6.3 you will get. Okay, so 6.3 multiply 70 is here. How many of you answer? Very good, Sahil. What about others? Now see, 36 plus 63 multiply 70, 6.3. So okay, so 70 multiply 6 is going to be 420. Now 0.3 is 30% actually. So 30% of 70 is going to be 21. So 441 plus 36, 477, which is given in the option B. Hope so. How many of you got the answer? Niranjan, Varun, Sahil, great job. What about others? Now this one is homework for you all, right? As you can see, 2562 divided by 61 plus 10% of 1250 plus 13.5 square plus 36 square equal to 6 multiply 28 square plus question mark. So you have to mention the timing, how much time also you took during this question. Okay, this is the last question of this simplification part. Okay, so this is homework for you all. Just take the screenshot. Okay, just wait. Now is this clear to all of you? Let's move on to the next one. Next is what? Missing term, means number series. Now we are going to solve. How many of you going to answer accurately? Let's see. 87 multiply 56. 87, 56, 30, then question mark. So tell me the answer of the missing term. I'm just awaiting for your answer. You're having 30 seconds for this question. As you can see, there are only 3 terms, 87, 56, and 30. So what is going to be the answer of this question? Tell me. 87, 56, 30. Then next one I'm expecting from you all. Tell me the answer of this one. See, 87, if you will see, try to solve it by difference even. So there are only two difference. Okay, first one is minus 31. Very good. B, as per Priya, the answer must be B, 20. What about others? See the difference 31, then the next difference is 26. So the next ones must be what? So we don't know that, because we are not able to find any pattern here. It is not based on even prime number, square, cube also we can't see. See, now just look out the digits. 8 multiplies 7, 56. 5 multiplies 6, 30. 3 multiplies 0. See, when you see a short series, then just look out the digits also. Sometimes question can be based on what number series. It depends on the digit of the number. Mathematical operation can be applied here. Now this one is an easier one. So tell me the answer of this one. This is 5-second question. You can just see an answer. Tell me the answer of this one now. 2, 9, 28, 65, 126x. Everyone. Priya, Sahil, Varun, Baswati, everyone. Shubham. This one, what is going to be the answer of this one? See, 2, 9, 28, 65, 126 and x. So these all are the nearest value of a perfect cube value or not? Yes, consecutive numbers. 1 cube plus 1 is 2. 2 cube plus 1 is 9. 3 cube plus 1 is 28. 4 cube plus 1 is 65. 5 cube plus 1 is 126. So what is going to be the next? 6 cube plus 1, which is 217. Very good, Baswati. Priya. Okay, excellent. Good job. Correct answer, 217. Now next one. What is going to be this one? Here some what given fractions are given in the series. 2 by 3, 4 by 7, question mark by question mark, means the middle term is missing here. 11 by 21, 16 by 31. Tell me the answer now. Very good, Sahil. What about others now? This one, you have to solve this now. Great job. Tell me the answer now. Seven by 13. Very good. Great job. Let's see. So Varun also answered D. Let's see. Let's check it out. 2 by 3, 4 by 7, question mark by question mark. So here, if you will see, the series is completely different, but we can look out first what numerator to numerator. There can be a logic, and denominator to denominator. Otherwise series will become very difficult, right? Fraction, how, what the pattern is going on, what need to be multiplied here. So 2 to 4, right? Plus 2 is there. Then 4 to question mark to 11. 11 to what? Plus 5. Two differences are missing here. So first one is plus 2 and next difference is plus 5. Last one. So two differences are missing. So consecutive difference can be what? Plus 3 plus 4 also. So if we will add 4 plus 3, so it will become 7. 7, right? What? Plus 3, so it will become 7. 7 plus 3. Right? 7 plus 4 actually. First we are adding plus 2, then plus 3, then plus 4, then plus 5. Rahul, I'll try. Okay. Okay. 2 by 3, 4 by 7. Okay. So this is also kind of a mock. Just answer what I'm asking. You are doing a great job. D. Very good. Correct answer. Here the above numerator of this missing term going to be what? Then 7 by 3 plus 4, 7. 7 plus question mark plus whatever you are going to add, 21. 21 plus 10. So first difference in the denominator is what? In denominator, first difference is plus 4, then question mark, then question mark, two differences are missing, then plus 10. So consecutive, what we can say, consecutive even number can be there, plus 6, then plus 8. So 4 plus, okay, means what? 4 plus 2, 6, 6 plus 2, 8, 8 plus 2, 10. It can be like that. Clear? So 3 plus 4, 7, 7 plus 6, 13, 13 plus 8, 21. Yes, it is following. And 21 plus 10, 31. So yes, option D is going to be the answer. Let's, okay, tell me the answer of this one. The most common pattern in exam of banking, RBI, you will see a pattern, right? Question based on this pattern. Clerical, whatever the exam is, you are definitely going to see. This is the most common pattern. If there will be 5 series, then definitely there will be one series based on this kind of pattern. So tell me the answer now. 12, then 6, then 6, then 9, then 18, then 45. This is based on missing number. After this, we are going to solve the what? The next term, next thing, which is what? The wrong number series. So tell me the answer of this one. Sahil, very good. 135, 135. And the pattern is what? Pattern is simple. 12 multiply 0.5, so 6, 6 multiply 1, 6, 6 multiply 1.5, 9 multiply 2, 18, 18 multiply 2.5. Here what we can see, 12 to 6, decreasing, then increasing, increasing, then equal, then increasing. So half of 12, then equal to 6, right? Then 1.5 times of 6, then twice of 9. So we can see the pattern from here. Now 8 multiply 2.5, 45. So 45 multiply 3, that is going to be 135. So we are multiplying with what? 0.5. Then the next term, next multiple term is just increased by 0.5. So there is a difference of multiplication value. There is a difference of 0.5 in multiplication value in each step. So last multiplication is going to be 3, 135. Very good. Option C. Now tell me the answer of this one. 8, 5, 7, 18, 80, question mark is there. Tell me the answer here. The series is 8, 5, 7, 18, 80, then question mark. Tell me the answer fast, everyone. Sahil, Priya, Niranjan, Rahul, Varun Shrivastava. See, 8, 5, 7, 18, 80. Now, if we will look out here, what you can see, it is just near to half of this, because after that the complete increase you can see in the series. So this is the best logic. When first number is okay, you will see first to second, there is a decrease, then continuously increase or equal something given in next step. You can go with that half pattern, or you can look out that. So 8 multiply half or 0.5 plus 1, 5. Now 5 multiply 1 but plus 2. Okay, but after that if you will look out, 7 multiply 2, 7 2s are 14. How many times I can divide this by 7? 2 times, plus 4 is there. So first plus 1, then plus 2, then plus 4 is there. After the multiplication of what? 0.5, then multiply 1, then multiply 2, means multiplication value is getting double here. Multiplication value is getting double here. Then after that, very good. C. How many of you said C? What logic is going on? Can anyone tell me? 18 multiply what then? If we have already multiplied 2, then double of 2 is going to be what? 4. So multiply 4 plus. So 18 multiply 4. 18 multiply 4 will give you 72. 72 plus 8 is there. Okay. But here can we see? See, in multiplication we can see 0.5, then 1, then 2, then 4. The next value is going to be multiply 8 plus what? So addition value, if you will look out, is there any certain pattern? You are adding 1, then 2, then 4, then 8. So if you will look out, 2 to the power 1, 4 is the square of 2, 8 is the cube of 2, and this 1 is the 2 power 0. 2 to the power 0 here. Okay. So 2 to the power, you are just adding 2 to the power 0, then 2 to the power 1, then 2 squared, then 2 cube. The next must be 2 to the power 4. So 70, what is the next term? 80 multiply 8 plus 2 to the power 4 means 16. So 8 8s are 64. So 640 plus 16, 656. How many of you got D now? How many of you got D now? Very good. Great job. Now you can see, don't go with one answer. All answered C, C, C. But it was not the answer actually. Now let's move on to the wrong number series. So find out the wrong number in this series: 4, 27, 25, 343, 120, 4913. So which one is wrong in the series? First one is 4, 27, 25. Then the next is 343, then 120, then 4913. Tell me the answer. So this 4 is what? Perfect square. This is cube. This is square. Then this is cube. Then this is not a square. This is a cube. We don't know. Or no. For that you must remember the cube. That's why I said 1 to 40 square you must keep in your mind, and 1 square to 30, 1 cube to 30 cube. And the nearest value of these squares also and cubes also you have to remember. So see, 2 square, 3 cube, 5 square, 7 cube. Then there must be what? So 2, 3, 5, 7. These are the consecutive prime numbers. So in first step, square of a prime number 2. Then in next cube of the prime number, next prime number. Then after 3, next prime number square. Then after 5, the next prime number cube. So on alternate basis, square cube is going on of a consecutive prime number. Okay, so the next prime number is going to be 11. 11 cube is 121. But what is given? 120, which is wrong. Now next must be what? After 11, there will be 13. Okay. After 11, there will be a 13 or 17. Tell me. Okay, there is one more error I can see. 2, 3, 5, 7, 11. Then this is the cube of 17, but there must be 13 cube. Okay, so this I am putting. Answer is correct, 120, because that is not a, and by any rule also said that all are perfect square of cube of any number, but 120 is not the square or cube. In this way also we can do, but here must be what? 2197, which is the cube of 13. Okay, now next one, 200, 920. Yes, 17 cube is given, but instead of that we can put 13. But in that case, even we can find out 120 as the odd one. Okay, because that is not a perfect square or cube of any number. Others are the perfect square or cube of any number. Okay. Now let's find out 200, 920, 1040, 1064, 1070, 1071. Which one is the wrong number in this series? Tell me fast. Tell me the answer now. Be active, proactive. You're having hardly 8 days, okay, for your exam. $200, 920, 1040. Okay, so 200 is wrong as per you. Okay, so what logic you applied here? 1064, 1070 and 1071. So if I will look out the first, see, okay, a huge increase is there, plus 720, but after that plus 120 is there, then plus 24, then plus 6, then plus 1. 1071, absolutely correct answer. See, 720, then 120, then 24, then 6. You can go with like what? Okay, the difference is getting decreased two ways. I will tell you. You can divide 6 here. So when you will divide in first difference, when you will divide 6, then you will get the second difference. In second difference, then divide 5. We are just dividing the number, right, in the difference in descending order, starting with 6, 5, then 4. Okay, 24. Next difference will be divided by what? 5 minus 1, 4. 24 by 4, 6. Then next must be divided with what? 3. So 6 by 3, there must be a 2, but 1 is given. So 1070 plus 2, 1072 must be there, but this is a wrong number. One logic. And second one is what? You can say factorial. 720 is the what? Factorial 6. 120 is what? Factorial 5. 24 is what? Factorial 4. 6 is what? Factorial 3. 2 is what? Factorial 2. So we are just adding the factorials starting from 6 values in descending order. Okay. Now it's clear. Hope you got the concept. So option B is the correct answer of this. Let's move on to the next one now. 463, 472, 476, 512, 516, 532. Which is the wrong number in this series? Tell me fast. Which one is the wrong number in this series? Tell me fast the answer which I am looking for from all of you. And if you are understanding each and everything very well, then mark your attendance by liking the session. Okay, you can mark your attendance. You can say yes. So I will, okay, understand that you all are getting what is going on very well. So answer this one. So if you will see, okay, whether it is in increasing order or decreasing, 463 to 472, so it is completely in increasing order. 472, 476, 512, 516, 532. But 463, then 472, then 476, then 512, then 516, then 532. Difference, if we will see, plus 9, then plus 4, then 476 to 2412 plus 36, then plus 4, then plus 16. So there is no, right, nothing common in the difference. Even they are not the perfect square or cube, or not the prime number concept. We can see first 9, then 4, then 36, then 4, then 16. Something odd is going on. But we know one thing, that 9 is the square of 3, 4 is the square of 2, 36 is the square of 6, 4 is the square of 2, 16 is the square of 4. Now, how 3 square? Why? So if you will look out in 463, the last digit is 3. Unit digit is 3 or not? So you will say yes, definitely. Clear? Now, 5 and 2 is the option, but here, okay, okay, just look out here now. So you will come to understand actually what you have to look out in this. Okay, so okay, now 472 unit digit is what? 2. 2 square you added 476. Now in 476, 6 is the unit digit, so 6 square we added. Now you got the concept. Unit digit, okay, unit digit square of the previous number. When you will do and add in the number, then you will get the next number. Okay, now here see, 2 square, 4 added, 6 is here, so 6 square, no, 16 added, but there must be plus 36 and instead of 16. So 516 plus 36, you will get 552. I hope you, okay, understood the logic and like the pattern and level of this question. So you have to be ready for these kind of logics also, right? So now you will have the logic in your, I am fine after a long time. Pranav or Arnav, right? So the answer is going to be what? The wrong number in the series is 532. I am good. What about you? Okay, the next one, the wrong number in the series. Next term, solve fast. We have many questions based on what? A quadratic equation also, then arithmetic, then data interpretation. And okay, so you have to be active. $38, $77, $156, $315, $624. Now tell me the answer. Which one is going to be the answer of this one now? Easier one. Okay, just solve this one. Yes. 38 into 2, 76 plus 1, multiply 2 plus 1, then multiply 2 plus 4, then multiply 156 to 315, multiply 2, 312 plus 3 is there. Now 315 is there, right? So you can see here, yes. Now 315 multiply 2. So you will get what? 630 minus 6. So 38, then 77, then 156, then 315, then 624. See now 38 multiplied 2 plus 177, 77 multiplied 2. So 154 plus it 2, 156. Now 156 multiplied 2, I got it wrong actually, my mistake. 156 multiplied 2, 312 plus 3. Then 315 multiplied 2, 630. Here 624, wrong. Plus 4 must be there. So 624 is the wrong number in the series. How many of you got this? Very good, Priya. What about others? Varun, Arnav, everyone. Very good. 634 आएगा. Good. What about others? 38 multiply 3, 114. 114 multiply, no. By multiplication we can't see here the logic. So what to do then? So 38, 114, then 285. So how we decided that that logic is not working out? See, 38 into 3, 114, then 114. Okay. Twice is 228, but here 285. Okay, fine. But the next 285, just double of 285 is 570. Now 570, okay, don't 855 ones are 855. So what you can see here actually, 114 multiplied to 38 multiplied 3, 114. 114 multiplied 2.5, 285 by 114. Just do it. 114 2s are 228. Then 57 will be the remainder, right? Then 5 times, just put point. So 5 times 570 can be cancelled, 2.5. Clear? So first we multiplied 3, then we multiplied 2.5, then we multiplied 2. So by these 3 steps, because 285 multiplied 2 is there. So you will come to understand, okay, this logic is going on actually. 3, 2.5 multiplied 2, then there must be what? Multiply 1.5, means the multiplication value just getting decreased in each step by 0.5. Getting it? So next must be what? 1.5. So see, 570 multiply 1.5. How you will do? 50% of 570 is going to be 285. Just add here, so you will get it. Okay, that is going to be 855. Yes, this is also correct. Now after multiplying 1.5, there must be a multiplication of what? 1. So 855 multiply 855, 1. So actually the pattern is multiply 3, then multiply 2.5, then multiply 2, then multiply 1.5, then multiply 1. Multiplication value is getting decreased. As I said, multiply 0.5. So 855 multiply 0.5 means half of 855 is going to be 427.5, but it is 427, which is wrong. Option B is going to be the answer then. Let's move on to the quadratic equation now, right? So here you are not going to see the level of RBI grade B, which we are expecting. Okay, so here you will find it that, right, this is the also the scoring part of your exam. If you have good grip in this, you can easily solve. So here x square minus 12x plus 36 equals to 0. Then next one. So tell me the answer. Quantity comparison based, quadratic equation based questions are here. These are the most common questions in banking, RBI, SEBI, all regulatory exams. So tell me the answer. This we can expect if there will be question from this section, definitely going to be there. So there will be at least 5 questions. Tell me the answer now. X square minus 12x plus 36. 36 into 1, 36. Just break this 12 into 2 parts. 6 plus 6. Okay. And x square coefficient is 1. So 6 and 6 going to be your answer because minus plus sign are there. B is negative. C is positive. So plus 6, 6. Very good, Varun. What about others? Now 10y square plus 27y minus 63 equals to 0. So here what you can do, 10 multiply, very good, 10 multiply 63, 630 it will be. Now 27 you have to break into two parts, but by subtraction. So by multiplication you must get 630 and by addition you must get, by subtraction you must get 27. So 42 minus 15. 42 into 15, 630, 42 minus 15 years. So you have to be grip on this also, how we have to do fractions, factors easily. That you have to practice, okay? So here, 42 and 15. But here y square is given with what? 10. So 42 by 10, 15 by 10. So in this case, when you will solve, plus minus is there, then minus and plus is going to be your answer. So this is going to be minus 4.2 plus 15 by 10 means 1.5. So here the first quantity is greater than second one. Now you understood, Varun, why the answer is going to be like this. Now you joined. You got selected right. And I think BOI or somewhere else. X square minus 22x plus 112 equals to 0. 2y square plus 27y plus 91 equals to 0. Okay. Yeah, I am talking about that. Okay. CBI you joined. Okay. 2y square plus 27y plus 91 equals to 0. Okay. So tell me the answer now. For this one, x square minus 22x plus 112 equals to 0. So see, no need to check anything. This is very basic question. You can easily find out the factors here also. Y, right? The roots of x and y easily. But see the sign. By sign even, if B is negative, C is positive, both roots are going to be positive. So both values of x is going to be what? Are going to be positive here. Second, plus and plus is there. When B is positive, C is positive, then your both roots are going to be negative. So that's why x is greater than y. No need to solve even. By sign, you can solve this one. Now the next one, x to the power 3 by 2 minus 343 minus 316 by root x equals to 0. Second, square root 28 minus 12y square minus square root 4121 minus 5 square equals to 0. So tell me the answer of this one now. X to the power 3 by 2. So okay, x to the power 3 by 2 is given here. Minus 343 minus 316. So that is going to be 27. By x to the power, root means what? 1 by 2. Just take the LCM. So after taking the LCM, it will become x square minus 27 equals to 0. Now x square equal to 27. So which will be what? Square root 27 plus minus. Okay. This is not the perfect square. 3 root 3 also you can put out if you want. Now this one. See here. This is still here. Don't get confused. Square root 28 minus 12y square. Minus square root 4, right? This is complete actually. 4121 minus 5 square. So this is 25. 4121 minus 25, 4096. Square root means this is the square of what? 64. Now 28 minus 12 means 16. So you can say that by solving second part, you will get 16y square equal to 64. Clear this one? Now by 16, 64 can be cancelled. So y square equal to square root 4 plus minus, but here also you are going to get plus minus 4. But both, right? Plus 2 minus 2. Here also x, one value negative, one value positive. Which is going to be your answer in this case then? E, no relation. Don't be, see, these are the simple questions where you can score good marks, but you have to be what aware about these mistakes also. Yes, so no relation is here. Why? Because y, one value of y is negative, one positive. For x, one negative, one positive. If you find this case where the roots of one equation are what, positive, negative, and second equation also you are going getting what, one negative, one positive. In this situation always you will select no relation. Clear? Now solve this one. Plus minus, minus. Okay, this can be solved in 2 seconds. You can do it in 2 seconds, I will tell you, but I am expecting the answers from you all first. Arnav, Varun, what about others? Priya, Rahul, everyone. Yes, again E, definitely correct. Arnav, definitely correct. Yeah, absolutely. Why? See, when constant term is negative in both the equation and you're comparing two quadratic equations, and in both equation your constant term last value is negative, then you will go with no relation always, because in this case one value will be negative, one will be positive. In this situation one will be positive, one will be negative, and I told you in the previous one, in this case what you have to choose accordingly, right? What? No relation cannot be no relation can be established here. So relation between x and y can't be established. Fifth. Now next one, 2x square equal to 288, y equal to square root, very good, square root 196. Tell me the answer of this one now. Which one you will choose as the answer? Fast. Easy one, 2x square equal to 288, so x square equal to 144. Now y is equal to 196. Here what is going to be? Yes, both have negative positive roots. Very good, Priya. This one E. Think once before answering. See, x square, when square is there, when you will put the root, so plus minus will come here. 144 means plus minus 12. Here already square root positive given here, so it is going to be y equal to 14. So in this case y is greater than both the values, positive and negative, both values of x or not here. So B is going to be your answer here. Clear? But suppose if I have given you this, what, y equal to square root 144. In this situation, tell me the answer, then we will switch on to the next question now. Tell me the answer fast. D. Okay. So if you will see here, y will be 12 in this situation. If y is 12, then y is 12. X is what? Plus 12 and minus 12. So x is equal to y for this plus 12 plus 12. But for minus 12, when we will compare, y is greater. So answer is going to be y is greater than or equal to x. Means quantity second is equal to or greater than quantity 1. Clear? Very good, Priya, Niranjan. What about others? Varun. Now the next one is here. 3x square minus 5x minus 28 equals to 0. This is the first quantity. Second one, y square minus 10y plus 25 equal to 0. Tell me the answer fast, then we are going to move on to the our arithmetic part. Tell me the answer fast. I'm just looking for your answers for this equation. So first one is very easy, y square minus 10y plus 25. Sorry, second one. Last one also easy, 28 into 3, 84. Now there will be two factors like that whose difference must be 5, and multiplication by multiplication you must get 84. Minus and minus must be there, then first going to be what? In this case, first is going to be positive, second is going to be negative. So 28, when you will check 28 into 3, 84. So what factors you will do? Tell me now. See, you have to get 5, okay, as a difference. So 12 into 5, no, 60. 14 into 5, you're not going to get. 14 into 6, even you are getting 84. Clear? So 12 multiply 5, 60. But 12, by 12 when you are going to get it, 12 into 5, 12 minus 5, 7. The difference is not which we are looking for. But if we will do 12 multiply 7 and take the difference, that is going to be 5 here. 12 into 7, 84. 12 minus 5, right? So, sorry, 12 minus 7, 5. Clear? So 12 and what 7 are the factors. First one will be positive, next one will be negative. Now by 3 also you can divide. So the values of x, 4 and minus 7 by 3. How many of you got this? No, don't decide this 12 and minus 7. One more thing you have to look out, x square coefficient is 3. So when you do the factors, just divide it by 3 also. Okay? Acha, factors. Here, directly you can say 25, so just 5 into 5. And minus plus means both are going to be positive. So directly, y is greater than 4, y is greater than minus 7 by 3. So quantity second is greater than quantity 1b. Very good. Let's move on to the next one now. Shopkeeper sells a product after allowing two successive discounts of 10%, 30% on it. Find the profit percent if the profit is 26% of the price which the product is marked up. Profit and loss based question is here. Shopkeeper sells a product after allowing two successive discount. So if there are two successive discount of 10% and 30%, overall it will be what? So you can say that marked price is not given, so you can assume that that is 100 rupees for you, or 100x also you can imagine, 100% for itself or whatever. So 100 rupees. So first 10% discount, so it will become 90 after first discount. Then second discount also there of 30%. So 30% of 90 is going to be 27. So it will be what? 63. Selling price is 63 in this case. I'm telling you in the most easiest way. Selling price is 63 now. Marked price is 100 rupees. The profit percent is 26% of the price by which the product is marked up. This is what given. So we can say that cost price we don't know, that is y. That is y. Now SP we don't know what is it is going to be, but how we can say that 63 minus y will get you the profit or not? 63 minus y, selling price minus cost price equal to profit or not? Just look out the way which I am telling you, because they have said, look out this line, profit percent we have to find out if the profit is 26%. So profit is what? 63 minus y. You can say that. Okay. Now just see 63 minus y, we have assumed if the profit is 26% of the price which the product is marked up. So product is marked up by what? So if you will say the difference, so product is marked up, so marked up by what? MP minus CP. By you have to just take the difference of marked price and cost price. That will give you the how much, right, more you have put up than the cost price on marked price, right? How much marked price is, how much above the marked above the cost price. So that is going to be what? Marked price, you know that we assumed as 100 minus y. So 63 minus y upon 100 minus y equal to what? This is 26%. That is what they are saying here. Okay. So you can multiply 100 even here, equal to 26%. Clear? Are you getting my point now? Clear to all of you? So percent to percent cancelled. ना आएगा इसका आंसर आएगा. Just take it as what? 63 minus y, 100 minus y. Okay, so this is going to be a ratio of what? Get the given thing. Now you can say 63 minus y upon 100 minus y equal to 26%, right? So take it in the fraction form also. I am removing this percentage, 100%. By this also it can be done, because it will be 26 by 100 only. By solving, you will transfer this 100 here. So this will become 13 by 50. Just solve it now. Yes, absolutely correct. Profit is 26. Profit is also going to be 26. Your answer is correct. Now 50 multiply 63 minus y equal to, okay, I think this part is not visible. Okay, I'm just going to remove this one now. Okay, I'm just putting calculation here. Just see now. 50 multiply 63 minus y equals to what? Equals to 13 multiply 100 minus y. So when you will multiply, okay, so 50 into what? Given 63. So 63, 630, 5s are 3150 minus 50y equal to 13 into 100, 1300 minus 13y. Right, this equation you will get. Just solve it now. So when you will take the difference, so it will be just transfer 50 that side and 3300 this side. So you will get 1850 equal to 37y. Okay, so 37 by 37 it is cancelled how many times? 50 times. So y is equal to 50. Y is equal to 50. Just look out here. And this is the part which you have to look out further. You need to know about the basic of these all things. So Pranav, Priya, Arnav, Varun, everyone, is this clear? So y is 50. If y is 50, now you can find out the profit percent, because selling price was 63. Their difference is 13. 13 with respect to cost price 50 is how much? So 13 by 50 multiply, just multiply what? 100 here. So 15 twos are 100, 13 into 2, 26%. Clear? I hope you like the pattern of this question. Now the next one, Ram invested an amount on simple interest and it becomes 3 times. It becomes 3 times of itself in 20 years. If Ram invested rupees X at the same rate of interest on on compound interest, he gets rupees 29282 as the amount after 4 years. Then find out the amount invested by Ram. Tell me the answer of this one. What is given? Ram invested an amount on simple interest. Okay, so it becomes 3 times of itself in 20 years. If an amount P becomes 3 times of itself, okay, in 20 years, so there is an extra 2p, 2 times or not? Yes, from 100% it becomes 300%. So extra 200% you are getting in 20 years. And the rate of interest is on simple interest. Simple interest is going to be constant for each year then. So in 20 years 200%. So per year the rate of interest is going to be 10%. Clear? So what we have to do is, by this line we got the rate of interest. Ram invested rupees X. How much? X, the X rupees. We don't know what is this. At same rate of interest means 10% per annum. But rate of interest is what? On compound interest. Just remember this. On compound interest. He gets rupees 29282. How much? 29282 as amount after 4 years. So 10% per annum. So 4 years. So I am just writing down, see the basics. 1, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. 4 years are there. So we will solve it by the ratio method, which is very, very easy, which you have to follow in these kind of situations. So the first thing is what? Just see. Principal ratio amount. This procedure, 20,000 is absolutely correct. Awesome. Great. 20,000 is going to be the answer. Now, principal to amount. For first year, it is going to be what? 10%. 10% in terms of fraction is 1 by 10. So 10 is going to be principal. Then 10 plus 1. Amount is going to be 11. Now, in second year, just square this. 10 square means 100. 11 square is 1 to 1. Now, in third year, just cube the 10. 10 cube means 1000. It will be 1331. In fourth year, it would be what? 10 to the power 4. So 10,000. This is going to be 11 to the power 4. 14641. I think it is, yeah, correct. Now, what are they saying? He gets rupees. Amount is given. Amount is what? In this ratio, we can say that amount is 14641x. This is given as what? This is given as 29282. Right? Yes. Which is 14641x. So by this, you can see 14,000, 29,000, 6. Okay, so just multiply 2, yeah, 4146, yes. 2 times cancelled. So x is equal to 2 here. So if x is 2, then our principal is going to be what? 10,000x. So 10,000 multiplied 2, 2,000, 20,000. Clear? Very good. Excellent. Now let's move on to the next one. 30% of first number is equal to 50% of second number. If average of both the numbers is 30 more than the second number, then find the 60% of second number. So see, 30%, what are they saying? Very good, Varun. Now you got it. How to do? Okay, how to approach these kind of question easily. Now 30% of first number is equal to 50% of second number. So we can say that the numbers are A and B. So 30% of A is equal to 50% of B. If average of both number is 30 more than, so average also they are talking about, but first of all we must know any relation, so percent to percent cancel. Now we can find out their ratio. A by B equal to what? 50 by 3 means 5 by 3. So A can be what? 5x. B can be what? 3x. Their average would be what? A plus B by 2. So 5x plus 3x by 2, 8x by 2 means 4x. Getting the point? It is going to be what? 4x. Now what is given? If the average of both numbers is 30 more than the second is 3x. So the average of A plus B, right, is how much more? Okay, is 30 more than. So we can say second number is B. B plus 30. 30 more than the second number. Second number is B. Very good, Innocent. Very good. Great. Now see. 54 is what? Okay. Now average A plus B. Average of A plus B is equal to B plus 30. Now average of A plus B is what? 4x. B is what? 3x plus 30. So 4x minus 3x means x is going to be 30. If x is 30, then first number is going to be 5 into 30 means 150. Second number 3 into 30 means 90. Okay. Now what are they asking? 60% of second number. Okay. Yeah. Why it is not coming? I can say option में नहीं आ रहा है. बिल्कुल सही बोल रहे हो. You are right absolutely, because I just write here second number and took the value of first number. If you will find out, 60% of 150 is going to be 90, and it is here. Okay. But here I put second number. So yes, 60% of second number is going to be what? 60% of 90 is going to be 54. Clear? That's why it is not there. So I am putting in option C, 54. Okay. So while making the question, during that I just put the option accordingly. So I put second number here in the question, but I took first numbers 60%. Okay. Let's move on to the next one. A cricket team of 11 members. Yes, 54 is the correct answer. Absolutely correct. A cricket team of 11 members is to be selected from a group of 9 batsmen and 6 bowlers. In how many ways will the cricket team having at least 4 bowlers and at least 6 batsmen being selected? So based on what combination? Permutation combination. So your combination and permutation grip also need to be good. You must have command on that topic, then only you can do it. So cricket team of 11 members. So total 11 members are there. 9 batsmen, 6 bowlers. Batsmen, bowlers. Okay, 6 bowlers are there totally. So total 15 players are there. Out of those 15 we have to select. So in probability question also they can ask you something like that. So you can even find out the probability of that. Okay. In how many ways will the cricket team having at least, see, the word of at least says what? At least 4 bowlers means minimum 4, more than 4 will be okay, but you have to keep at least 4. And at least 6. So from these 9 batsmen, 6 batsmen are what? Fixed. Their selection, right? 6 I have to choose from here. And 4 bowlers I have to choose from here. Okay, not an issue, not an issue. Okay. Now you will be good after the understanding. Okay, when I will explain this question, you will be okay better to understand. Unschooled, yeah. Okay. Now see, 6 bowler, 4 bowler. Okay, this is what given here, but we know that these 6 confirm, 4 confirm, 6 plus 4, 10. One, there is a one one spot, one place where we can say we can either choose a bowler or batsman. Why? Because they have said at least 4 bowlers, so there will be 2 cases. One is what? Okay, out of 9 we are going to choose 6. 9C6, these are the batsmen. If we are choosing 6 batsmen, then there will be 4 this common, right? This empty spot. We will choose what? When 6 batsmen, then 5 bowler. So plus 1, 5 bowler. So 6C5 plus, because there are 2 cases for that. Okay, due to this what? Extra spot which is still empty, we have to choose either a bowler or batsman. For that case, if you will look out, at least 4 bowlers, so there can be a more than 4 bowlers, yes, possible. At least 6 batsmen, so 6 we have to keep. This is a compulsion, but more than that also will be okay for us. So 9C7, second case, when we will keep batsmen, more batsmen, and fix 4 bowlers. Okay. Now one more thing I want to tell you, NCR equal to NCN minus R. So just solve this one. 9C6 will be 9C, 9 minus 6 means 9C3, multiply 6, 5, 6, C, 5 minus 6 minus 5 means 6C1 equal to, sorry, plus 9C7 will be 9C2 and 6C4 will be 6C2. Now solve this one. 9C3 means what? 9 into 8 into 7 upon 3 into 2 means 6. Multiply 6. Okay. Multiply what? 6C1 will be factorial 6. You are going to get 6 by 1. So 6 to 6 cancel. 9 into 8 into 7. So 9 into 7, 63. 63 into 8. This will give you how much? 504. Plus 9C2. 9 multiply 8 by 2 multiply 6 multiply 5 by 2. So 2 2s are 4, right? So by 4, this 8 cancel 2 times, 9 2s are 18, 18 6 are 108, 108 5 times when you will do 540. So 504 plus 540 means 1044. So which is not in the option. 1040 is the closest one. But don't get confused in the exam. None of these you have to choose because it is also available. Now next one. Ravi has 10 boxes of pens with him with an average of 18 pens per box. If each box has at least 10 pens and no two boxes have equal number of pens, then what can be the maximum number of chocolates in any box? Tell me the answer now, fast, of this question. Ravi has 10 boxes of pens with him with an average of 18 pens per box. If each box has at least 10 pens, no two boxes have equal number of pens, then what can be the maximum possible number of chocolates in any box? So see, Ravi has how many boxes? 10. Right? 10 boxes are there. With an average of 18 chocolate. This 18 chocolate is what the average each box. So total would be what? Number of boxes multiply average of the chocolates in each box. So 10 into 18 means 180. This is the total chocolates. Okay, total chocolates 180. Remember that. Now after this, what are they saying? No two boxes have equal number of pens. Means if I will say there are total 10 boxes. Okay, total 10 boxes, first, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, 7, 8, 8th, 9th, 10th. 10 boxes are there. So no two boxes have equal number of pens. Okay, no two boxes. And each box will have at least 10 pens. So we can say minimum 10 pens in first box is the least one. Second one will have what? Because what we need to find out, what can be the maximum possible number of chocolates in any box. If we will keep other 9 box, in other 9 box we will keep the minimum number of chocolates. That will be the chance where we can have maximum chocolates in one box. Okay, so 10. Then in second box we can't keep same, so 10 plus 1 11, just keep 11, plus 11 plus 1 12, then 12 plus 1 13, then 13 plus 1 14, then 14 plus 1 15, then 15 plus 1 16, then 16 plus 1 17, then 17 plus 1 18. So these are the 9 box. Just take the sum from 10 to 18. Clear? Total you can see here, right? So 10 plus 11 21 plus 12 33, 33 plus 13 46 plus 14 60, 75, 15 when you will add, then 91 after adding 16, then 108, 126. Clear? So in rest 9 box, okay, there will be 126 chocolates. Total 180. So we just assume that 10th box right, have what? Those maximum number of chocolates. So 180 minus the sum of the chocolates in other 9 box, 54. Clear? Hope so it is clear. Now boat based question is here a boat takes P hours to travel 4800 kilometer in downstream and it takes Q hours to travel same distance in upstream. If the speed of the stream is 4 km per hour and the speed of boat in still water is 8 km per hour more than the speed of stream, then find out the sum of P and Q. P and Q are what? The time. So just need to take the sum of P and Q here. Tell me the answer, everyone. Priya, Varun, Arnav. Tell me the answer now. Everyone. What is going to be the answer of this question then? Boat takes P hours, so time is given to travel 4800 kilometer in downstream. So you can say this is a okay, distance of A to B. This is how much? 4800 kilometer. Clear? So in downstream, when so A to B is what? Downstream. Downstream means with the flow. With the flow, the speed of boat is going to be what then? If the speed of stream is given, right, plus the speed of boat in still water. But what is given here? The speed of boat in still water is 8 km per hour more than the speed of stream. Okay, so speed of stream, that is how much? 4 km plus how much more? 8 km per hour. Speed of boat in still water, which I assumed as what? X, and speed of stream is y. Very good, innocent. 900 as per you. Okay, so 4 plus 8, so 12 km per hour. So here the downstream speed is 12 km per hour. Upstream speed is going to be what? 12 minus 4 means 8 km per hour. Okay, so P is what? The timing of during the downstream travel, and Q is the timing for upstream for the same distance. Okay, so here for your P is going to be what? P is going to be the speed of boat in downstream, that is 12 km per hour. Distance is 4800. Just cancel by this, so you will get what? Yes, speed of boat is 12. Okay, sorry. Yeah. Yes. Here I have taken wrong. 12 plus 416. You are correct. Speed of boat is going to be speed of stream plus speed of boat in still water. So speed of boat in still water is 12 plus speed of stream, which is 4. So this is 16. So 4800 by 16. So you will get what? 3 times you can cancel. Okay, 300. Okay, now Q is going to be what? 4800 upon speed in down upstream. So that is 8 km per hour. So put 8 6 are 48, 600 hours. And their sum is going to be 900. Yes, option E. What about others? Be active. Arnav, very good. Now let's move on to the next one. A boy can row at 10.5 km per hour and in still water. Okay, so this is the speed of that boy. Means X, speed of that boy in still water. So that is going to be speed of boy alone, not in downstream, in still water. And speed of stream, which is Y, is 1.5 km per hour. If it takes 14 hours to row a place to and to come back, then find how far is the place. You have to find out the distance. Distance is what? Equal to speed into time. You know the time, total time is given. But that is what? When you are moving from this point A to B and coming back from here to here also. But the speed is not constant actually. Sorry. It is in downstream here and here it is in upstream. Clear? So here answer would be what? So see, we need to find out what the speed we know. In downstream, the speed of boat is going to be, speed of boy is going to be what in downstream? Very good. In downstream, the speed of boat is going to be what? A speed of boat in downstream is, just imagine that is ds. In upstream, it is us. So boy's speed 10.5, just add the both speed. So it will be 12 because 10.5 plus 1.5. Upstream speed 10.5 minus 1.5, that is going to be 9. So their ratio is going to be what in this case? So when you will do this, the ratio of downstream to upstream D to U speed ratio is going to be 12:9, which is 4:3. So their time ratio is just reverse of the time ratio is just reverse of the speed ratio, or not 3:4, right? Are you getting it? I hope it is clear. So now speed, total time we know. In downstream, upstream, we can say 3x, 4x. 3x plus 4x equal to 14 hours. So 7x equal to 2 hours. So x equal to, 7x equal to 14 hours. So x equal to 2 hours. If x is 2, then in downstream, they will take, the boy will take 6 hours. In upstream, he will take 8 hours. And the speed you know. So in if you want to calculate with respect to the downstream, then consider 12, multiply the time taken by him in downstream, so 6 hours. If you want to calculate in upstream, then take 9 as the speed, multiply the time taken by him in upstream, 8. That is going to be 72. So the answer is going to be 72 kilometer. Hope so it is clear. And this is the easiest way. Okay, just take the ratio and verbally even it can be solved. Now see the next one. The ratio of the breadth to length of the rectangle. Very good, Arnav. Park is 3:2. If a boy is cycling along the boundary of the park at the speed of 15 km per hour, completes one round in 10 minutes. So 15 km per hour speed and in 10 minutes one round. So it will be the parameter of that rectangular ground or not. If he is starting from here and covering this total distance in 10 minutes at the speed of 15 km per hour. So distance is equal to 15 km per hour, right? Speed multiplied time taken by him. So that is going to be 10 minutes. So 1 by 6 hours. 10 by 60, 1 by 6 hours. So now you can take the distance in the kilometers here. So 2.5, okay, kilometer. Is this clear? Yes. Now 2.5 is the total parameter. Then what is the area of the park? Now you know L to B is what? 3x and 2x. So just add this. You know 2.5 kilometer in meters. It would be what? Just multiply 100 in this. So okay, 250. If you want to convert this into meters, you have to multiply 1000 here. So 2500 meter. Clear? So 5, see the parameter is going to be 2, right? Twice of the length plus breadth total. So 3x plus 2x, just double this. So 5x into 2 means 10x equal to 2500. So x is equal to 250. Okay, if x is 250, then length is going to be 250 into 3 means 750. Breadth is going to be 250 into 3, 500. Now just multiply this. So you will get 750 multiply 5. So you're going to get 3750 and 00 then. So 375000 is given in the option D. So that is going to be your answer. In square meter it is, because it is mentioned. Hope so it is clear. Now let's move on to the next. Speed of a bus A is 5 by 6 times of the speed of bus B, and the speed of bus B is 7 by 8 times of the speed of bus C. If bus A and B start traveling from point to a point at 2:30 p.m. and bus C reach the destination at 6 p.m. then at what time bus A reaches the destination? Very good, Priya. Great job. This is homework for you all. Simple one. See, speed of bus A is 5-6 times. So A to B speed ratio is given, directly assume, right? That is given 5:6 because A's speed is 5/6 of the B's speed. So their speed ratio. B to C speed ratio is given. So you can convert it into a single ratio. If bus A and C start traveling from point at 2:30. Okay, point at 2:30 p.m. bus C reaches the destination at 6 p.m. At what time bus A reaches the destination? This can be done in two ways. Either you can do by the basics or directly time ratio. Just reverse the speed ratio, compare time ratio, you will get the timing directly, and just put that, right, count that from 2:30, so you will get the exact answer. Now statement verification base also we can expect, so you have to be ready for that also. What is the age of the mother of Ram? So Ram's mother age we need to identify here, need to calculate here. Tell me the answer. See, we are having two DIs also. In that I'm going to give you the homework also. I will explain each and everything, but some of the question to calculate I will give you. Okay? And you need to answer, right? That is what I expect from you all. So mother of Ram. So first, the age of, in these kind of question, what you need to do, they will give you, there are two statements you have to verify, you have to tell us whether the data is sufficient to answer the question or not. So option C, you are saying just C, mother of Ram. Age of Ram's father, no need to calculate anything, just take the data whether it is enough to solve or not, because they are not asking any specific value here. Yes, very good, Arnav. Age of Ram's father is 5 times more than age of Ram. Age of Ram's father is 5 times more than the age of Ram. So what we can say that here, 5 times more than, right? So more than means the ratio is going to be Ram's father, and Ram's ratio is going to be 1:6. After 8 years, the age of Ram and his father becomes 1:3. So after 8 years, so this is what? After 8 years from now. So we can say we are in 2023. So we know two ratios of Ram and his father, 1:3. So we can compare these ratio, time difference also given, by that we can get the age of Ram and father. And age of the mother is 4 years less than father. When we know the age of father and Ram by this data, and mother's age is 4 years less, so just subtract 4. So yes, first data is sufficient enough to answer. Second, the ratio of age of Ram and his mother is 3:8. Before 4 years, so 4 years ago, the ratio of Ram, so direct Ram and his mother age ratio is given 4 years ago, right? And at present 3/8, and 4 years ago 1:5. So just compare, right? These two ratio, time difference also given. So directly you will get the ages of Ram and mother. So it is possible to calculate by second also. So either statement 1 you can use to find out, or second. So either 1 or second sufficient to answer this question. Hope so it is clear. Priya, is this clear? Varun, everyone? Second one, what is the profit share of A? What is the profit share of A? A and B start the business with capital of rupees 5,000 and 15,000 respectively. So profit depends on what? See, for profit you must know the investment. You must know their time. Then you can easily find out the ratio, right? And you must have something about profit. Total profit is given, or any 1% profit given, so you can compare. Investment multiplied time will give you the profit ratio. But here in first statement, 5,000 and 6,000, their investment are given, A and B's, so which is not enough to answer this question. Second, after 5 months, C joined the business with capital of rupees 16,000 and total profit at the end is rupees 3,200. So option D, no time is given. Very good. Great job. 5 months. After 5 months, C also joined. So after 5 months, C also joined, they said, and he invested 16,000. So now in this, C's data is given, and the total profit at the end means what? After what time? Do we know the total time? No. So second alone not sufficient. Even if we will merge first and second, we don't have the total timing at the end of 2 years, 3 years, 5 months, 12 months, 10 months, something given? No, nothing given. So we cannot calculate. So neither statement 1 or nor statement second is sufficient to answer this one. In how many days will C alone completed the work? Now they're asking you this. Tell me the answer of this one. A and B together can complete the work in 6 days. B and C together can complete the work in 24 days. A and C together can complete the work in 12 days. So when you know A plus B, B plus C, so by A plus B, we cannot calculate in how many days C will alone, because A and B together, is there anything about C given? No. So not sufficient. Second, B and C, okay, together given, but any efficiency or something given which we can relate? No, nothing given, not sufficient. A and C, same thing, not sufficient. Now if you will merge first and second together, first and second, so A plus B, B plus C. By this, can you get the efficiency of C and total work? Total work we can get, but we can't get the efficiency of C from by using A and B, first and second together. First and third, no. Second and third, no. But if we will merge A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, so by using that, we can get the overall efficiency of ABC. When we know the efficiency of ABC, so you can subtract the efficiency of A and B from that. So you will get the efficiency of C, right? And just divide it with the total work, so you will get the answer. So all three needed. In exam, you have to do in this way, which I am telling you. No need to go for all things. Yeah, 3 equations. No need to create any equation. No equation is required. Just you can do it in a single form. See how 6, 24, 12, LCM will be 24. So this is the total work. Now efficiency of AB, BC, CA. No equation required. Now you will take what? Okay, 6 days, 24 days, 12 days. So in 6 days, 24 cups of tea. You can just imagine the work as cups of tea. Nothing is given. You have to consume that. So 24 by 4, 24 by 6 means 4 cups of tea per day. This is the efficiency of A plus B. Similarly, 24 by 24 means 1 cup of tea per day. Efficiency of B and C. C plus A, 24 by 12. The efficiency of C and A is going to be 2 here. 2 cups of tea per day. So just add 4 plus 1 plus 7. So plus 2 means 7 cups of tea is going to be the sum of A plus B, B plus C, C plus A, which is the twice, just double of A plus B plus C. So A plus B plus C is equal to what? 7 by 2. Right? Now 24 cups of tea, 7 by 2. Right? 24 is the LCM. So 24 by 7 by 2, when you will do so, you will get 48 by 7. Okay. I'm just checking it once. Next question. Okay, very good. So 48 by 7. Okay. This is the efficiency of ABC together. Okay. This is going to be the efficiency, their efficiency. So when you will divide this 48 by 7, what when you will subtract, okay, what? Sorry, the efficiency of A and B together, that is 6 from 48 by 7. So 7 6 are, see, 48 by 7 minus 6, 7 6 are 42. So you will get what? 48 minus 42 means 6 by 7. This is the efficiency of C. Now total work is how much? That is 24. So 6 by 7. By 6 you can cancel 4, so 28 days. Clear? I calculated for you. Now after this, when you will solve this one, this is homework, because we are not having much time. So this also I am giving the as the homework. My next session is already planned at 8 p.m. and we have to solve DI also. So this take as the homework, simpler one. Now okay. Sunita spends 60% of his salary, saves the remaining, so means 60% spent. Okay, this is the expense, so saving is going to be what? 40. Now after the salary is increased by salary, if salary is 100%, 100 rupees, it is increased by 70%, so it will become 170. Okay, now he saves 80% of the increased amount besides the amount he used to save earlier. He saves 80% of the increased amount. So 80% of the increased amount. Increased amount is how much here? 70%. So he saves 80% of the increase. Earlier he was saving 40%. So 40% he is saving now. Okay. Of that 100%. Plus extra what? You can say 80% of 70. 70% increase, that is going to be 56. So just take the sum, this is going to be 96. And earlier it was what? 40, because they are saying what will be the percent change in his monthly saving. So 40 with respect to 40, 96. How much increase? 56. and 56 by 40 is going to be 1.4, means 140%. Okay, and this one is going to be the homework based on partnership. Sum is given, divided among 3. A, B, C should receive. B should receive triple amount that then that of A. C should receive rupees 500 more than A. Relation is given. Simply by ratio you can solve this one. The easiest one. Okay. Take the screenshot fast. And whatever I have given you as the homework, you have to do it. Okay. Be fast. Hope you took the screenshot. Now, read the following table carefully and answer the question given below. Following table shows the total number of order, percentage of cancelled orders, and ratio of the delivered veg and non-veg orders in 6 different days. First, days: Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. These are the days. Number of orders are this given in the second column. Percentage of cancelled order also given. So accepted we will count under veg and non-veg or not. Delivered one. These veg and non-veg are going to tell you what the delivered. See, cancelled and the ratio of delivered veg non-veg. So we can say veg and non-veg from here. We can easily get. See, 250. 24% of 250 is going to be what? 25% of 250, 62.5. 1% of 25 is going to be 2.5 minus 2.5, so 60. Now 250 minus 60, so total 190 orders. 11 ratio 8, so 19x equal to 190, so 10. So 110 veg orders and 80 non-veg orders. 110, how? See, ratio is given 11 ratio 8, total is 190. So 11 plus 8, 19x equal to 190, so x is 10. And by that you can get 110 and 80. Similarly here, 320, 25% means 1/4, so that is going to be 80. 320 minus 80, 240. And the ratio is 2 ratio 1, means 3x equal to 240. So x is equal to 80. 80 multiplied 2 means there will be 160 veg orders, and non-veg going to be how much? Then 80. 240 minus 80. Hope so you are getting it. 280 total. 50% cancel means 140 accept delivered. And ratio is 9 ratio 5, veg to non-veg. So 9 plus 5, 14x equal to 140. So x is going to be 10 here. So 9x means 9 into 10, 90 veg, and 5x, 5 into 10, 50 non-veg. Clear? Similarly for Wednesday, Thursday and Friday we will get 220 is there. So 30% of that 66, 10% is 22, multiply 3, 66 you will get. Now, now after that 6 ratio 5. So 220 and here 6 ratio 5. Clear? Tell me fast. So 30% 66, we have to subtract 154 we will get, and 6 plus 5, 11. So 11x equal to 154. So x is going to be 154 by 11, which is 14. 14 6 are 84 and 70. Very good. First question already you answered. I'm just solving the data for you all. Here I am capturing each and every detail, so you will have the all details in the table, then you can solve easily. Thursday, 380, 20% cancelled, so that is going to be 76. 38, 10%, 20%, 76. Okay, so 380 minus 76, so you will get 304, so 152 by 152, 1 ratio 1, right? 420, 15%, so 15% is going to be 63 when you will subtract. So 357, so 3 plus 4x, 7x, so 51 into 3, 153 and 204. So these are the complete detail. Now we can move on to the question. Number of veg order delivered on Wednesday is how much percent more than the non-veg orders delivered on Sunday? So Wednesday, how many veg? 84. On Sunday, how many non-veg? 80. So number of veg order delivered on Wednesday. So veg order delivered on Wednesday are 84. Is how much percent more than the number of non-veg orders delivered on Sunday? So 80. Clear? is how much percent more than. So how much percent more, just check. With respect to 80, this is the non-veg order. With respect to this, we have to check. The difference is 4. And 10% of 80 is going to be 8. Half of that is 4. So means 5%. Clear? Priya, everyone? Now next. Number of non-veg order delivered on Thursday is what percent of the number of veg order delivered on Monday? Number of veg order delivered on Thursday. So on Thursday, how many order delivered? 90, I think. Yes. Veg ordered, non-veg 50. Is what percent of the number of veg orders on Monday? Monday it is going to be how much? 240, right? So 160. So with respect to 160, they are talking about, or something I took wrong. Again, I'm checking just. Number of non-veg order delivered on Thursday. So that is 50. And number of veg order delivered on Monday. Okay. Delivered on Monday. Yeah. Is what percent? So 160. With respect to 160, I have taken something wrong here. Okay, I'm taking for Tuesday. Sorry, my mistake. Thursday. Thanks. 380. So 76, 152. That was right. So 152. Yes, it is not 50. Actually, it is 152. So with respect to 152, number of non-veg order delivered on Thursday is what percent of 160? Right, the veg orders on Monday. So 152 by 160 multiply 100 when you will do. So you will get 95%. How you will get? See, by 16, 0 to 0 cancel. By 16, it will be cancelled 9 times. Then 8 is there. So 80, 5 times cancel, 95. 95%, not 105. Okay, next. What is the difference between, this is the homework for you all, okay? This is the homework. We have solved 2. Now I'm going to move on to the next one. Another DI is there, okay? Here I consider 3 questions from it, but you will have the 5 question set in your exam, okay? Now the next one. Is this visible to all of you, the data which is written here? Read the information carefully and answer the question tabular. So here missing data is given. Tabular graph below shows the data related to students in different schools. School P, Q, R, S, T. Yeah, you are going to get definitely 5 questions. S, T, U. Okay. See, total number of student, boy, girl. So first thing is what about total student? Second, boy to girl ratio, pass to fail ratio also given. Percentage of student who got the scholarship. So by the given data, can we solve? So you will say no. Can we fill out the missing data? No, we have to go through the questions and need to solve accordingly. Okay, I understood. Okay. Not 162. Why it should be 162? See here, which you're talking about, which one? This one, 380. See, 20% when you will subtract, that is 76, you will get 304 beta. Right, Priya? So this 304 is going to be 152, 152. Okay, now see, if the difference between the boys, now after understanding each and everything, we will get back to question. They will give the condition. On the basis of that, we have to fill out the link to the question, each question. If the difference between the boys and girls in school P is 180. So in school P, boys to girls, difference is given. Ratio we know, right? So 9x minus 7x, 7 ratio 9 is equal to 180. So 2x equal to 180, right? So X equal to 90 in this situation or not? Tell me. So if X is equal to 90, then we know number of boys and girls totally. Find how many students in school P didn't get a scholarship. Total 65% got, so 35% will not get. So you need to find out 16x because that is the total number of student. 7 plus 9, 16x. Boys plus girls. Okay. So 16x. 16 into 90 when you will do, you will get 1440. And 35% of this 1440 is going to be how much? 35% didn't get the scholarship because 65 getting the scholarship. Which one you're talking about? Before that, yeah, one I skipped. We will move on to that, right? We will move on to that question also. Just see this one. Now, 1440, you know, 35%, 30% of 1440 is going to be what? 30%. In this way also it can be solved or not. So 10%, 144, 144 thrice 432 plus 72. 144 by 2. 10% by 2, 5%. Option A. Now next one is what the previous one. 60% of student who passed the exam in school Q are boys. So total in school Q, what data is given? Tell me. 1500 boys who passed the exam in school Q are what? Boys. So if 60% are boys, so girls are going to be what? Their ratio we can find out easily. 40% going to be girl. So 60% means what? 900. And 40% means what? 1500. 40% of 1500 is going to be 600. Okay. Now girls who pass the exam, in Q are 60% of student who passed. Okay. Sorry. I misread the question. I misread this question. Okay. Just removing again. 60% of the student who pass the exam in school Q are boys. Okay. So pass to fail ratio is given. So out of the total student 1500, 15x, it is equal to what? Pass plus fail mean 15x equal to 1500. So x is equal to 100. So it will become what? 800. Now out of 800, 60% of the students who pass the exam in school Q are boys. So 800 pass the exam. Out of this 800, 480 means 60% would be boys and 40% are going to be girls. Clear? Now tell me, is this clear? 320. After this, boys and percentage of girls who pass the exam is 80%. So percentage of girls, so 320 pass the exam. So with respect to total girls, this is 320. This 320 is what? 80% of total girls. So girls are going to be what? Total girls are going to be 320 by 80 multiply 100. Clear? So 0 to 0 cancel. By 8 you can cancel this 4 times 400. Clear? Now this will be 40, 40 to 10, 400. Find the number of boys in the school. Now they are asking you number of boys in the school. If 400 girls are there, 1500 minus 400, right? Boy is going to be what? Total minus girls. Hope so it is clear to all of you now. The next one. Okay, this one. If the number of students who received a scholarship in school R is 540 and 20% of the boys in school R received a scholarship, then find out. So now they are talking about school R. What is given? Boy to girl ratio given. Scholarship, how many got from the total? 60%. So total number of students who got the scholarship in school R are 60%, 540. So 60% of total is equal to 540. So total is going to be what then? By 60 you can easily cancel. How many times? 9 times, so 900. Percentage will be transferred there, so 900. 20% of the boys in school are received a scholarship. 20% of the boys, so total how many boys are there? So 400 boys are there. 4:5 because, and 500 girls because we know total are 900. So 20% of that means 80 got the scholarship. Okay. Then find out how much percent of girls receive the scholarship out of the girls in school are. So in school are there are 500 girls, and if 80 boys only receive the scholarship, total how many students got the scholarship? 540. Out of those student, 80 are what? 540 minus sorry, yeah, so 540 is the total who got the scholarship, and 80 are the boys, so rest will be girls. 460. Clear? Now 460, right, the girls who got the scholarship, and 500 is the total, so just cancel it, multiply 92. 5 9s are 90, then extra what, 10 is also there, 5 2s are 10, like that you can solve easily. Okay, so 92. Hope so it is clear to all of you now. Okay, so in today's session we have discussed many important questions. Okay, some of the question I have given you as the homework, so I am expecting the answers from you all. Hope you enjoyed all the top 50 question. Same kind of question we can expect in the exam, so you have to be ready how to attempt. It's all about your strategy. For that you can join what, you can choose our plan, IRDAI test plan, get full 5 full length mock tests for phase 1, 5 descriptive tests for each 3 paper of phase 2. Complete plan is also there, that also you can go ahead with. Get IRDAI test plan plus notes plus current affair plus model essay, insurance sector current affair, like that, all those things you can expect. Okay, sorry, you can get here current affair, model essays, and insurance sector current affairs. These all things you will get in complete plan. So it's up to you which you want to join, because phase 1 date is already out, 25 June, right? 25th of June 2023. Give final shape to your preparation. Okay, so anything which you want to ask, you can join our Telegram group. Link is given in the description box. These are the daily highlights of that Telegram group. You will get the study material and many more thing, latest update regarding your exam in the group. Okay, okay, bye. Subscribe to the channel and do like this session if you understood each and everything well, and share with others also. Okay, so this is the free RBI booster batch which is running at present. Okay, so this is the scheduling. You can take the screenshot of the session, free YT session, RBI booster batch. So thank you so much. Hope you all enjoyed very well. We'll see you in next session. Till then, keep learning and keep shining with Oliveboard. Tomorrow I'm going to conduct the data interpretation strategy for upcoming RBI Grade B 2023. How you can score maximum in that section. Okay, so will join me at 8 PM tomorrow also. Okay, on YT. That is completely free on our YouTube channel. So bye bye.